Hi, I'm Jane Lamberti. I'm Georgia's brain injury attorney, and I'm here to talk with you about brain injuries and lawsuits involving brain injuries. Often when clients come to me who have suffered a brain injury from someone else's negligence or mistake, they ask me, what is the process like for a brain injury case here in Georgia? And what I tell them really is there's two parallel tracks that happen at the same time at the Cochran Firm when we handle brain injury cases. First of all, and most important, is that you get the appropriate medical treatment. And really, we apply a three-pronged approach incorporating 3 different specialists to make sure you get the proper medical attention that you need. Number 1, we incorporate a physiatrist. A physiatrist is a rehabilitation specialist, and he is the physician that will direct your rehabilitation needs. The second type of specialist that we incorporate is a neurologist. The neurologist is directly responsible for the medications and treatment for your brain and for your nerves and muscles that may have been injured in your case. And third, and most importantly, especially in mild traumatic brain injury cases, is the neurophysiologist. The neurophysiologist is a type of doctor that specializes in determining whether or not there's been a brain injury and can even use tests to detect the most subtle brain injury. For example, he'll test whether or not you've lost part of your memory, your attention span, your ability to process speed, your ability to think and to talk. That's something that a neuropsychologist can evaluate. So while we're working on the medical side and having you see 3 different specialists at the same time, we're also working on your lawsuit. And in your lawsuit, what we do initially is we gather evidence about your case. We preserve evidence that may have been used in your case. We preserve evidence surrounding the accident of your case. We also then hire investigators and experts to determine the cause of the trucking accident or the cause of the medical mistake or the cause of the chemical that may have caused your brain injury. Once we gather all of that, we file a lawsuit. And after we file a lawsuit, there's a process called discovery. And during discovery, it's a 6-month time period where we get to ask the other side questions and they get to ask us questions. And then, of course, there's a trial. And that's important to know because here at the Cochran Firm, when we take a case, we take it as if we're preparing to go to trial and we try cases. You know, there's always the saying that you have to aim high. Well, that's what we do. We always aim for trial. Because if you've got an attorney who's aiming just for a settlement, they're not going to get you the maximum value of your case. If you've got attorneys who are known to be trial lawyers and try cases, they're preparing their case right from the start from trial and will get you the maximum value for your case. And that's what we do here at the Cochran Firm. Every step that we take in your brain injury case is one step further to prepare your case for trial. And if it settles, fine, and if it doesn't, we are ready to go and fight for you in court. I'm Jane Lamberti, Georgia's brain injury attorney, fighting for your peace of mind.